All right.
Oh, you cooked me.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. La da 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 da. Da da da. Well, it might be the fall, but you know, sometimes you want to think about the 4th of July and fireworks, and this is Faygo Firework soda. Yes, it's Faygo Firework soda. Don't exactly know what the flavor is supposed to be. It just says delicious firework soda. You know, Faygo. It's got a cult following in a lot of places.
Is it supposed to taste like fireworks that explode, or the fireworks that they sell in an ice cream truck?
Probably the firework they sell in the ice cream truck, considering that they have the ice cream over here. The pop, the sucker. But it says it's delicious. Of course, you know, Faygo is out of Detroit, Michigan. Very popular. So we're going to give this a try and see if this firework is a spectacular show or is it just a dud?
Is it a bust?
Brent, Brent, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, 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 ah. Nah. It's like one of those bottle rockets that just go up and go. Zzz.
So it's fizzling out.
Yeah, it fizzled out. I think this is a mediocre 6.7.
It's a dud.
Not quite a dud, but not spectacular.
It's not making your...
Not much of a pop.
Not much of a pop. That's too bad.
Yes, indeed.